Sexual health is complex and affects all aspects of oneself, including the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual self. The complexity of sexual health allows us to revisit and revise how we think about gender, sexuality, sexual orientation, romantic orientation, choice, consent, and how these are all connected. The World Health Organization says sexual health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being in relation to sexuality. It requires a positive and respectful approach to sexuality and sexual relationships, as well as the possibility of having pleasurable and safe sexual experiences, free of coercion, discrimination, and violence. For sexual health to be attained and maintained, the sexual rights of all persons must be respected, protected, and fulfilled. HIV and other sexually transmitted infections are one sign that sexual health is out of balance. We asked 15 nehiyaw iskwêwak to share their perceptions and beliefs about how to restore balance to health. Here are some of the things we were told.
Listening to the sound of that stream out there, and to me that's balance. That's trying to figure out how things flow, and that's learning how to move around the rocks and the obstacles. But how do you apply those principles into your everyday life? And how do you know when to give, when to take, when to flow, and when to stand firm? And I guess the easiest way to find that place is through prayer, learning how to pray and ask for help. For me personally, I'd say balance begins with prayer, and balance begins with taking lessons from the land and learning how to allow the land to teach you how to live your life.
I think restoring balance in yourself is to respect and love Mother Earth and all those who dwell within her. Then you'll respect and restore balance.
Restoring balance to me is first recognizing it within yourself and giving the power of intention out into the universe through prayer. And make your prayers clear and with conviction. If there is conviction within your heart, I think that's the first step. Aligning yourself to be at one with the universe. When you are at one with the universe, that's when things start coming together. But to also keep your family close and your loved ones. To me, that's restoring balance. Because they're your backbone, they're your rock, and restoring it is just never forgetting where you come from. Your roots, staying grounded, and to take time out for yourself, no matter how busy it gets. We're never too busy to take time out for ourselves. We owe that to ourselves as women, as Cree women, and as human beings. We need that because if we're not loving ourselves, how are we going to love others? And how are we going to love our community if we don't share the love within ourselves? Love is universal. So that's where the good relationships will start. If it's done within yourself, it'll have a ripple effect. Then healthier relationships will follow in different realms, people, world, and society. Hi, hi.